Hang on.
Ew, ew.
Hey guys, so today what we're going to be doing is making froze toes. Before we continue on with this video, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications for me so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now, if you don't know what froze toes are, it's basically this thing from the TV show on Netflix called Haters Back Off. They were a thing before, but then Miranda Sings did it on her show and made it blue, you know, like, I don't know how to explain it. But basically, on the show, Haters Back Off on Netflix, they have this thing called froze toes. And she explained, like in one of her videos, that it was a jello-y, like ice creamy consistency thing. So that's what we're gonna do. So welcome back to another Cooking with Gage. Let's get started. I've never made this before, so I'm honestly hoping that it's like not gonna be a fail. But what you're gonna need is some vanilla ice cream, some chilled berry gelatin, honestly just any blue colored jello will be fine, popsicle sticks, a pan to like put it in thing, I don't know. And also you're going to need a pink gumball, but since they don't apparently sell freaking pink gumballs anymore, they don't sell gumballs in the store anymore. I don't know what kind of place this is, but you can get some of this bubble yum gum, and it's like moldable, so you can like make a ball out of it. So that's what I did. I'll show you. I put it in here so that it would stay frozen. So basically I took 2 pieces of gum and I squished them together to make a ball, a gumball, pink gumball. It's as pink as I could possibly get it. I'm gonna set up my camera. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna take this off. And I'm gonna, like I said, I've never ever made this before. And there's not a recipe on the internet. So we're honestly just gonna like go with it and pretend that I know what I'm doing. Even though I'm going to fill this small container up until it reaches the point that I want it at. Like until it reaches the height that I want it at. So that's what we're gonna do. Just, like I said, we're just going with it, guys. Ah! Okay, so I think that's enough. Okay, wait, hold your horses. Okay, I think I'm gonna microwave this just a little bit. So just like a little bit, not very much. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Okay, so I microwaved it for 15 seconds and I'm just gonna like mix it around a little. Oh my God, Colleen, if you're watching this, which you probably aren't, but if you are watching this, I'm so sorry. I've watched one video on how to do this and my method is completely freaking different than this person's was. So yeah, honestly, I've been wanting to make this for so long. So this is what's gonna make it blue and give it more of like a floppy-ish texture, I think, I guess. I don't know. What if it's not blue? That'll be sad. Oh, it's blue, we're fine. This is the flavor chilled berry. So this is chilled berry vanilla. Oh my gosh. This is like the weirdest consistency. If you make this, please send me a picture. I would love to see this. Holy crap. Like, I don't know how to explain it. You might not like be able to tell on camera, but this is the weirdest consistency. Does that look like a nice blue? Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in the freezer for until it's frozen. Oh, that's like really thick, dude. I don't think. All right, now we have to wait for it to freeze. So, yeah.
It's just do it, do it, do it, do it, do it now. Lick it good, suck this just like you should. Right now, lick it good, suck this just like you should. My neck.
1 hour later.
I'm gonna take this out. Okay, I think it's okay. I think so. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this out and put it on a cutting board, and then we're gonna cut it out in the shape of a foot and hope that it works. So I'm gonna cut it out around it first. Oh no, I don't think it's frozen all the way. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Oh my God, this is horrible. All right, new plan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop this on to a small cutting board. Just kidding, new plan, we don't have a small cutting board, so yeah, new plan. So I'm gonna put this on the thing, on the cutting board, and I am going to make it into the shape of a foot the best that I freaking can. Okay. 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 This is great. This is brown cement. I'm gonna use this knife as like a barrier to make it like good. I am so great. Okay, freezer. All right, so I put it in the freezer. And now we're gonna hope for the best and pray that this works.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is pull it out because hopefully it's done. It's kind of done, but now we're gonna shape it even more. So I'm gonna take a different knife and shape it. It's pretty good. I'm filming. Don't come near me.
Much later.
Okay, so it's been about 4 hours or so, and it's still not as hard as I wanted. But I'm going to put the gumball in it right now. Oh my God, that's so cool. It's still not that hard, but it's like, oh my God, it's like floppy. Look! It's like floppy. Maybe it's just like too heavy. I don't know. You'll be okay.
In the arms of the angel.
1 hour later.
Okay, my final conclusion after another hour later is that it worked, but it's floppy. Like, I don't know how or why. I'm on the garage floor. But like, it's just so loose and floppy, and I don't know why. We're outside, and I'm gonna take a picture with it. Real good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge click and thumbs up. Comment down all the things below and share this with your base and your bed buddies. And I'll see you guys next one. See you later. I'm jumping all over me. Bye bye. And now, time for fan mail of the day. Vagina. Thank you.